Welcome to MoneyWatch. This is Kundu, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can make up to $500 a day for free downloading an app. So, if you are new to this channel, then I will advise you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so that you will come to know about any future video when I release about making money online. I release making money online videos each and every day. So without further ado, let's get started. So the app which I'm going to show you is called Dosh, DOSH, Dosh.com. So it's an app which you can download on your iPhone or Android phone, and the thing is, you will get cashback whenever you make a purchase online. They have connected with Fortune 500 companies like Walmart, ASOS, Instacart, Pizza Hut, Proactive, Disney Plus, Dunkin', GNC, and the list goes on and on. Okay, and over 10,000 places to get cashback. All offers curated just for you. Okay, the thing is, you will once you download this app, you will be able to connect your debit card or credit card with the app, and once you make a purchase you will get a cashback on that, and once you have accumulated $25 on your account, then you can easily transfer it to your PayPal account or Venmo, or donate it your cashback to the charity. It's up to you. And the cool part is how you will make more money is Dosh has a referral program where you can refer people to download this app, and once they download the app and join the app, you will earn $15. It's so cool is that. And also, once you download this app and connect your debit card to the Dosh app, you will get $5 as a free bonus. How cool is that? And the more money, the more people you refer, the more money you will make. For example, suppose you refer 40 people, then you will make $600. So it's very simple, no need to invest money, and you can earn money while doing this. And the cool part is, once they connect their debit card to the Dosh app, they will get $5 free. So you can easily refer people from Facebook, asking them to download this app and connecting your debit card, and they will get $5 for free, and you will get $15 for referring those people. So you can learn more about Dosh by clicking over here, and you will come to know how these companies and how they get money from, and how they pay you. Everything is detailed here, and it's pretty cool. Okay, and you can see here the headquarters is located in Austin, Texas, and everything is there in the website. So if you want to make more money, and that too very fast, like $500 to $1,000 each and every day, then you can do one thing. Simply click the link in the description below, where uh, you will make more than $500 per day. Just click the link in the description, and this is my number one money making recommended opportunity for you. And if you like this video, then hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. That's it for this video. And if you have any questions related to this matter, then kindly comment in the comment area, and I will be happy to help you out. So this is it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.